Assalamu alaikum Little Hearts family. Welcome back to our channel.
In our daily lives, even the smallest moments can bring us closer to Allah.
A simple sneeze, a kind response, a beautiful sunnah. Come along, little hearts. Let's learn what to say when we sneeze and how to reply with love.
Alhamdulillah.
When we sneeze, we thank Allah for our health.
Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy on you.
When someone sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, we make a dua for them.
Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balkum. May Allah guide you and set your affairs right.
That's so beautiful.
These small du'as bring love between us and remind us of Allah. Little hearts remember Allah in everything, even a sneeze.